What if I told you there's a single ChatGPT prompt that can help you create engaging video titles, keywords, and even a full script in minutes? It's a game changer for content creators, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to save hours of work and produce professional level videos quickly. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the secret formula to streamline your entire video production business. And hey, while you're here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and find this valuable. Let's jump in. Video creation is one of the most time-consuming aspects of being a content creator. From brainstorming ideas to writing scripts, it can feel overwhelming. But with the power of AI, specifically ChatGPT or any of the large language models you like, you can automate most of this process. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact prompt to use with ChatGPT, how this prompt generates high-performing titles, keywords, and scripts, and real examples of this in action, including this video. By the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever created content without it. Now, jumping into the actual prompt. In a previous video, I went through the general prompt structure that I use to create great results with ChatGPT and other large language models. But in this case, I used it to create the full script for a video, along with things like clickbaity titles, keywords, thumbnails, and even a description of the footage that should be shot for this video. So I put this all together in one prompt, and that's exactly what I'm going to go through with you today. And once you have this set up, you're going to be able to think of a premise, use this prompt, and have all the materials you need to create a video for YouTube. So using the exact same framework that I use for all of my prompts, I'm asking ChatGPT to act as an expert scriptwriter and copywriter in YouTube and specializing in creating highly viral and educational videos. I then outline the task it's assigned in steps, first asking it to conduct extensive research online on the video topic, including things like pricing and features in the case of software. Next, I ask it to create a highly engaging 8 to 12 minute video script, not including visual descriptions. I'm going to add that in later, but I tend to edit on top of it, so you can change this as needed. After that, it needs to provide 5 clickbaity titles for the video, and that's just to get the blood flowing in creativity. Then 10 highly relevant keywords and 3 short descriptions for highly relevant thumbnails. So I have these ideas all provided in a single prompt. Number 6, I'm going to ask it to suggest different clips that I should add in the video, along with different visuals and B-roll that might engage our audience. After that, I outline the parameters, and the parameters basically just make sure that everything is coming together with a call to action along with structures, things like hooks. Then I provide my video description along with the video concept. Finally, I give some examples of great YouTube video scripts, and this is a really important part in getting a really good result, giving it a good idea of how to script. And to get these examples, I used a software called YouTube Transcript, which is free online, and I grabbed 3 videos that I really liked in terms of educational potential and the scripting. So I went and grabbed those links and pasted them into this scripting software, and it provided a full transcript, which I then added into my prompt to better train ChatGPT to create scripts like this. And with these examples, along with a well-parameterized prompt that I can use over and over again and modify, I can create all of the material that I need for any video. And that's actually what I used to create this video. I used this exact prompt to create my introduction script, along with a lot of the different shots that I used, the thumbnail, the title, and even the keywords. I created all of this in one go using this ChatGPT prompt. So I hope you learned something, and if you like this kind of video, like and subscribe to learn more.